Welcome to the WP Smart Contracts Launcher tutorial. The launcher is a tool with two main components, the Deployment Wizard and the Contracts Manager. Navigate to the launcher page on your WordPress website. Connect your wallet with the launcher using the Connect button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process. Select the type of contract you want to deploy. Pick the appropriate flavor that suits your contract type. Select your preferred blockchain network from the available options. If the chosen network is not set up on your MetaMask wallet, it will be automatically added to your network's configuration in MetaMask, both for test and main networks. When prompted, add the network and switch your app to the selected network. Fill in all the necessary contract data as required for your specific contract type. If applicable, carefully read and accept the terms of service. Click the Deploy button to initiate the deployment process. Confirm the transaction, and within a few seconds, your new smart contract will be deployed. Now that you've deployed your smart contract, let's move on to the Contracts Manager. The Contracts Manager allows you to effortlessly manage and customize your existing contracts. Once again, navigate to the launcher page on your WordPress website. Connect your wallet to securely access your contracts. You will see a list of contracts categorized by types to interact with a contract. Simply click View to access the UI of the smart contracts. If you want to make changes, click the Edit button to customize the contract parameters as needed. Congratulations! You've now mastered the WP Smart Contracts Launcher. You can deploy and manage your smart contracts directly from the front-end view of WordPress, making your blockchain journey seamless and efficient.